handlebars. That's gonna be crazy. Yeah, this is gonna be stick it off. I can't even twist it. Part of me want to say for them, just cut them. I had taken them off before, so I'm sure I could get them off again. Yeah, they're a pain in the butt. Okay, I got this one, this side off. Got the right side off. I used a little of this. I used the screwdriver, pry it up. And I just spray this up in there. There's a electrical cleaner. It's a quick drying formula, but they got, you know, like silicone spray like this you can use. Alright, got this side off also, can't believe it. But yeah, I got it off. Alright, so now I'm about to loosen this right here, and the stem will come right off. I'm hoping the same setup works for BMX bars. Okay, so it fit right on so far. I'm gonna tighten it down, and then tighten these two bolts up, one here and one on this side. I'm gonna tighten that down first. Get nice and snug. And hopefully we good. So put this one on there. Okay, looks like it fits. I just gotta tighten this down some more. Okay, I got everything back on. Just gotta tighten everything down. Good. That one better than I thought so far. I'll make sure this is straight. Okay. So I'm gonna tighten all this stuff down. And see what happens. Okay, everything tightened back up. I'm gonna clean all these wires up, but I'm gonna change the throttle first. I'm gonna put a push throttle on here. This is cool. I'm gonna try to push throttle for a while. I want a full grip over here. I don't like the, you know what I mean? I ain't like the grip I want. This grip feel way better.
Where New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy was today. We'll do whatever we can at both the local, county, and state level, and we're already doing it. We put $10 million on the street yesterday for small businesses, but the big chunk of this is going to come.
Provided them safe haven. And as we march
Okay.
since the attacks,
This one's much better than I thought. Everything went together pretty good.
Join us for our Eyewitness to 9/11 Behind the Lens. It's streaming now at ABC7 and on all of our streaming apps.
I'm gonna lower my seat a little bit. I got this suspension pole on there. Push it up higher than I want it to be. But it's cool though.
To stay home, hospitals are feeling the strain. ABC's Christine Sloan has the details.
Handlebars a little low, but
Americans expected to travel this holiday weekend. Health officials are concerned
a little low, but I could work with them.
COVID-19 among the
Come on, I can fill this in a little more.
We would recommend not traveling. After last year's Labor Day weekend, between mid-September and Thanksgiving, the country saw its daily case average increase by more than 400%.
Time.